In the midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, oh Lord. Strengthen my...
Okay, so far, guys, what do you all think of all the fall decors that I've been bringing to you all so far? We did the living room, the kitchen, the fireplace room, the dining room, the entryway, the main entryway. So now, and we did one of the bathroom. So now today I'm going to do my entryway closet. I mean, we have a lot of shoes that need to go to the Goodwill and a lot of coats that need to go to the Goodwill. So today I'm just gonna declutter that closet out and bring a lot of this stuff to the Goodwill. I might paint the closet. It depends on how the shoes scratch up the wall. I might paint it, but we'll see. Again, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. And as I said, I'm on a fall marathon and I am enjoying it, and I'm glad to have you guys here with me. Guys, don't forget to hype up the video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And to get more familiar with what I do, please go back and look at previous videos that I uploaded previously. Okay, so it was nice. Come on, grab a chair, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, okay. Friends, what do y'all think about that closet? What do y'all think about decluttering and organizing that closet? I mean, there was so much things in that closet that, that we haven't used for a while. Some of them is over a year, we haven't used them. So what I did, I decluttered the closet, and all of that is going to the Goodwill. I'm going to take them all to the Goodwill, or the red, white, and blue. Because some of those coats are too small for the kids. Some of the shoes are too small for the kids. And it's just a lot that was in that closet that we don't really need. So I organize it, and it's not too much went back. Just what you see in that closet, that's what it's gonna be, nothing more. So again, we did another project, decluttering my entryway closet. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Living with Esther Decor DIY. Don't forget to the name change. So now it's Esther, Living with Esther Decor DIY. Okay guys, so we completed that project, and we on to another project. So another project is done. And guys, don't forget, as I said, to hype the video up. And guys, if you all don't know how to hype the video up, go to ChatGPT or Google and type in how to hype, and it will tell you how to hype. And for all my viewers who view the channel and does not subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Living with Esther Decor DIY. And guys, yes, another project is done. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. I love
In the midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord.